Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. As Father's Day is around the corner on June 21st, so here we have a Father's Day card tutorial for you. We also have more Father's Day card tutorials, so go and check them on our channel. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. The materials required are sheet, scissors, scale, pencil, glue and sketch. Take a sheet of these dimensions. Fold the sheet into half. Make 2 points at 2 cm distance from both the top and bottom. Draw 2.5 cm line on these points. The final lengths are these. Now make cut on both of these lines. Fold this middle part as shown. Pull this part from inside. It must look like this. Again make 2 points at 2 cm distances. And draw 2.5 cm lines on these points. Final length are these. Again make cut on these lines. Fold them as shown. Again draw 2 points at 2 cm distances. Draw 2 cm long line on these points. The final length are these. Now again make cut on these lines, but make sure that you cut only the first part out of these three. Finally, this must look like this. Now take another sheet of same dimensions and fold it into half. Paste this card inside the sheet. Paste the back side too. Now comes the decoration part. You can decorate this card as shown. You can comment down below if you want the tutorial on how to cut these alphabets. Paste some hearts to decorate this more. Decorate the card cover too, as shown. At last, pen down your wishes. Do try this beautiful Father's Day card and gift it to your father. You can also follow us on Instagram for more updates. We also host regular giveaways on our Instagram, so you can also participate in them. Thanks for watching.